Hello, we are on channel IPSA Education and my name is IPSA. We are doing heights and distances maths. We are on part E and we are trying to take up a question which has a chance of going wrong in terms of diagram. Okay, we'll see how it can go wrong and what is the way to draw the correct diagram. Fine. We have to be very careful at times. Two buildings A and B there are two buildings. Okay, they are on opposite sides of a road. So let's draw a road. This is a road, and there are two buildings. One is here, one is here. The buildings are A and B. Now, अब हमें पता तो है नहीं कि दोनों बिल्डिंग्स की हाइट बराबर है, ए टॉलर है, बी टॉलर है, क्या है, कौन कैसे बनाए डायग्राम. वी हैव नो आइडिया. दे हैव नॉट गिवन अस एनीथिंग. देयर इज नो हाइट गिवन. So now we'll have to go, either this can be equal to this, or this can be smaller, or this can be bigger. Now even I don't know. So let's choose. Let's take a random guess. I choose that this building A is small and this building B is tall. So this is A point and this is B point of the building. Okay, you assume that, and this is 10 root 3 meter wide. The road is 10 root 3 meter. Fine, no problem. Let's see ahead. Angle of depression, मतलब somebody is seeing down. Angle of depression कहाँ से देख रहा है? From top of it. So that means the person is here. The eye is here. From top of the A, the angle of depression from top of A. वो नीचे देख रहा है from top of A. तो नीचे कहाँ देख रहा है वो? To the bottom of B. This person here is looking at the bottom of B. Is it looking down? Yes, it is looking down. So at least we can draw this line. He is looking down. He is looking at the bottom of B, and because he is looking down, the angle of depression is a correct word. Now this angle of depression is 60 degree, right? Now how do I draw a 60 degree? The person is here. You know that to draw an angle, we always need one slanting line, one horizontal line. If you have not seen it, probably episode B or something उसमें है. ठीक है? So this slanting line we have, but we don't have the जहाँ पे I होती है, the angle of elevation and depression are always from, मतलब आई सेंट्रिक. आई बीच में होना चाहिए, फिर वहाँ से एक हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन होनी चाहिए और एक टेढ़ी लाइन होनी चाहिए आई पर. अब आई हमारी यहाँ पे है, यहाँ से एक स्लांटिंग लाइन तो है पर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन नहीं है. तो हम एक इमेजिनरी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बना देते हैं. बना दी. नाउ वी गेट दिस एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन एज 60 डिग्री. फाइन, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. You've done till here. Now angle of depression, again somebody is seeing down. Angle of depression means somebody is seeing down from top of it. Oh, again the same person. The eye is here and he is looking down. Angle of depression, he is looking down from top of it. ऊपर खड़ा है और नीचे देख रहा है to the top of B. टॉप ऑफ बी. यहां खड़ा है, टॉप ऑफ बी देख रहा है. तो ये नीचे देख रहा है कि ऊपर देख रहा है? ही इज लुकिंग अप. लुकिंग अप को तो डिप्रेशन नहीं कहते हैं, लुकिंग अप को तो एलिवेशन कहते हैं. सो व्हाट इज इट? लेट्स रीड अगेन. फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ ए टू टॉप ऑफ बी, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. टॉप ऑफ ए टू टॉप ऑफ बी, तो वो तो ऊपर देख रहा है, एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. दैट मीन्स we have gone wrong in this diagram. That's how some people go wrong and then the answer go wrong. You have to be very careful and keep ध्यान देते रहना चाहिए कि क्या लिखा है. जस्ट ये नहीं कि ऐसे कर दिया, डिप्रेशन एलिवेशन है कुछ भी है बना दिया. नो, टेक केयर ऑफ एवरी वर्ड. अच्छा, अब दूसरा ऑप्शन क्या है? दूसरा ऑप्शन है कि ये बड़ी हो, ये लंबी हो और ये छोटी हो. वो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Again, we start from the building. This is the road that was 10 root 3. This time I am making this as the taller building and this as a shorter building. The first half is कि top of A से कोई देख रहा है same चीज and angle of depression from top of A to bottom of B. Top of A से देख रहा है, bottom of B की तरफ देख रहा है, तो ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली नीचे ही देखेगा. नीचे ही देख रहा है ना, यहाँ से देखेगा, यहाँ तक देखेगा, नीचे ही देखेगा. And this is angle of depression, so everything matches. So this angle becomes 60 degree. Fine. Now let's read the second part. Now angle of depression, again somebody seeing down from top of A to top of B. From top of A, मतलब he is seeing from here और वो देख क्या रहा है? He is looking here now. इस चीज को देख रहा है. अब इस चीज को ये नीचे देख रहा है कि ऊपर देख रहा है? नीचे देख रहा है. देखो, this ये नीचे है, ये ऊपर है. तो this person is still looking down. And they're talking about angle of depression. So this time it matches. So let's draw the line. Person here is looking at top of B. Okay. Now how do I draw angle of depression? ये लाइन तो है, slanting लाइन तो है, पर I के साथ हमारे पास horizontal लाइन नहीं है. हम क्या करेंगे? सेम चीज करेंगे. आई पर एक इमेजिनरी हॉरिजॉन्टल बना देंगे, ये स्लैंटिंग लाइन. तो हमारा एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ये वाला सेकंड वाला 30 आ गया. ओके, नाउ वी नीड टू राइट ट्राइंगल्स. वी डोंट हैव. एक तो दिख रहा है, दूसरा तो है ही नहीं. क्या करें? व्हाट वील डू इज we'll draw one imaginary line like this, horizontal line parallel to the road. Now we have another right triangle which can be used. Okay, now this and this, they become alternate angles. We've discussed it in some episode, and this angle becomes 30 degree. Now let's name them all x, y, z. Anything left? No. So let's read again if everything is fine in this diagram. There are two buildings, A and B. Road is 10 root 3. Depression from top of A to bottom of B is 60. Fine. Angle of depression from top of A, ऊपर से देख रहा है, to top of B, B के ऊपर देख रहा है, is 30. That is fine. Find their heights. Okay, now we have to find the heights of the two buildings. Okay, let this one be H1 and let this one be H2. Now it is simple. Now there will be no problem. We have two triangles. We make two equations and finish it off. First, I am taking triangle. Maybe this A. I just have this habit of taking the bigger triangles first. A, Y, Z. We are interested in perpendicular. We have the base. So what will be used? Tan will be used. The angle given is 60 degree. Height is what we don't know, and the base is The road is 10 root 3. These mathematical calculations you can do आराम से at your own pace. We've got the first building AB, H1 is 30 meter tall. Okay, so one answer we've got. Second answer, we need second triangle. Second triangle is AXB. Correct? So now we are taking triangle AXB. What do we have? Do we need this? No. We have this. How much is this? This is 10 root 3 only. बेस के बराबर, ये सबसे नीचे वाली लाइन के बराबर ही होगा ना, रेक्टेंगल के जैसे दिस 10 रूट 3. सो ये भी 10 रूट 3 होगा. ये ट्राइंगल में ये चाहिए नहीं, ये ढूंढ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स टेक दिस मच एज y so that this triangle gets completed. Okay, ये हमें चाहिए परपेंडिकुलर, बेस हमारे पास है. So again tan theta. Now the angle is 30. Perpendicular we don't know, it's y, and base is when we do all the maths about it, we get that y, this portion, is 10 meters. Okay, now एक की तो हमने हाइट निकाल ली थी 30 meters. इसकी हाइट क्या है? Now this is 30 meters, this is 10 meters. So how much is this? 30, 10, so that has to be 20. So basically what we can say that H1 minus H2 is y. इसमें से ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो you can say H1 minus H2. इसमें से ये हटा दोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? y आ जाएगा. So we just put values. So we have found the height of the second building, which is 20 meters. Okay. So be careful while drawing the diagrams. You may just go wrong in drawing it if you're not careful about the words. ठीक है. और अगर हम वो डायग्राम से कंटिन्यू करते तो हमारे आंसर ना ऐसे टेढ़े मेढ़े आते, नॉट वैलिड, इनवैलिड से आंसर आते. ये 30 आता, वो 40 आता, नहीं फिर तो ठीक ही रहता, मतलब कुछ अजीब ही आता. Okay, so be very careful with the diagrams. All the best.